Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process of permanently removing a project from your GitLab account. First things first, before we begin, verify that you're signed in to the right GitLab account to avoid deleting a project from the wrong workspace. Head over to your home page and click on the search bar at the top to find your project. From the search results, select the specific project that you'd like to remove. Once you're in the project, look for the left sidebar, expand the Settings menu, and click on General to access the project configuration. Scroll down the page until you see the Advanced section and click to expand it. Within the Advanced settings, you'll find the Delete Project option. Go ahead and click that button. For security purposes, you'll need to type in the confirmation phrase exactly as shown in the dialog box. Then click the Yes, Delete Project button to confirm. Perfect! When you return to your home page, you'll notice the project is no longer listed. It's been successfully deleted from your account. That's all there is to it. You now know how to safely delete any project in GitLab whenever you need to.